Over the past several years, I've had chronic back pain rather, for my lower back, the L5-S1 to be specific. And I have gone, as you could imagine, to a number of different places, tried a number of different things, but I feel as though it was only until I got to Causenta, which was kind of a happenstance situation where I was looking for individuals or practitioners that had what's called a PMF, pulse electromagnetic field therapy, that I came across Causenta and Dr. Tom. Not too long ago, I had a bout of serious back pain that I could almost hardly not walk. After coming to Causenta, after having that bout of serious back pain, or acute back pain as it were, I was enabled to have a bit more mobility. And it's been now probably a week or so after that episode that I've probably got a good 90% of my mobility back. Not only so, but the initial chronic back pain that I had beforehand, I've also noticed some of the symptoms have become either greatly diminished, if not gone. So it speaks to the effectiveness here at Causenta, of which you can expect from Dr. Anderson and Dr. Tom. I can confidently say that coming to Causenta and going through and developing a protocol for my back pain or chronic back pain issues, that it has helped me to lead me on a path to freedom of back pain, freedom of mental fatigue, and kind of getting back the life that I once had.